Hello, hello. Dito na naman tayo. Holy. Okay. Ay, hindi ko pa rin matanggap. Medyo nagka-cringe pa din ako sa gagawin at ginagawa natin. So, we'll see where this goes. But yeah, welcome to Almost Grown. This is the pilot episode of I hope many more to come. Um, yeah, yeah. It's been a while. It's been a while. Medyo familiar tong feeling na to. And is it a good feeling? I don't know. We'll see. It's not bad though. It's not bad. Um, Muntik na ako sumuko. I'm not gonna lie. Um, Akala ko it's as simple as buying a decent mic, getting a decent camera, and that's it. You hit record and you're good to go. But no, no. Kasi ang plano ko, no scripts, no outlines, and we're basically just going to talk about a lot of things. And well, I am going to talk about a lot of things. I'm gonna yap all day, every day, whenever I can, whenever um, our schedule permits. But hindi pala, hindi pala siya ganun kadali. And kasi ang problema ko is, um, do we have shit sound quality or we're going to talk about like serious matters, things that matter, or we talk about dumb shit, but we have a very good sounding audio. So, ang lason natin ay decent audio. And we're going to talk about dumb shit instead. So, um, that being said, I welcome you to Almost Grown. And yeah, let me say though, that this is not going to be a self-help podcast, nor will it be a motivational one. No, we're here to confuse people. Kung naghahanap ka ng podcast para ma-boost yung araw mo or magkaroon ka ng willpower to go about your day, hell freaking no. Manggugulo lang tayo and hopefully make a lot of people mad. Um, yeah, yeah. Um, but hindi na tayo magdadagdag sa bullshit sa internet. Hindi na rin tayo mag we're not going to talk about conspiracy theories or like or, uh pero fake news. No, 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 no. We are going to talk about serious things. Serious? Sabi kanina dumb shit. Like serious dumb shit, you know? Um but yeah, we will talk about life, relationships, love, family, friends, um basta humihinga, basta worthy of our time, hopefully. But I'm sure we're also going to talk about a lot of um, useless useless questions that that provides relief to no one. So also, I'm gonna be giving unsolicited advice. Will they be good advice? I don't think so. I don't think so. Um, yeah. Also, you're going to hear a lot of my opinions on a lot of different things. Again, will they be good ones? Probably not. So, yeah, pine-prepare ko lang kayo sa mga posible nyong mapanood at marinig dito. And yeah, ina-expect ko din ma-cancel by episode 3. Um, pero baka baka pag umabot tayo ng episode 3, malaking achievement na yun and milestone kasi sabi ko nga walang script, walang outline, walang kahit ano, hindi natin pag-iisipan. Dadakdak lang tayo dito. Um, but yeah, hopefully we are better at it than our first attempt. And and at the very least we have better sounding quality this time. So yeah, we will see. And yeah, I just wanted to really go on here and reintroduce myself. Reintroduce myself for the nth time. Um, yeah, and like we all do, like most of us do, parang every 2 to 3 months, meron tayong bagong personality na kino-cosplay. So, why not me? Right? But to be fair, nagki-cringe pa din ako. And and hopefully that goes away. Hopefully that goes away because it's going to be freaking weird. It's weird now. I'm talking to a camera, pretending I know a lot of stuff. So, you'll see. We will see. But yeah, welcome to Almost Grown, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.